My name is Lucy and I'm the sound designer on this project. So Riverside we are working on for the Culture Cares conference, and this production talks about what is prevalent to care experienced people right now. What do we think needs to be changed about the system that we're brought up in? What works? How do we feel about the way we're treated by social services, by local authorities, by society in general?
My name's Thomas and I'm part of the Plus One project with the ensemble, and I play as the character Michael. It's about 3 children that have some experience within the care system. They try and fight off stereotypical assumptions on what stereotypical foster kids are like, because I feel people need to learn that foster kids aren't what people say they are. They need to know the truth behind what they are and how they feel.
My name's Toni McElhatton and I am a co-creator and the director of this piece of work. Co-creation is about people coming together with the different skill sets and different ideas and going, let's make something. What do we want to make? We knew we were going to make a play. We knew that it was going to be holding the voices of young people, young care experienced people and care leavers, and that it was going to be performed in the Culture Cares conference. I think Culture Cares, for me, as a maker, is so important, because I think the difference with Culture Cares is that there are people at all levels, policymakers, influencers, arts council, people who can directly impact. I suppose with this group what's slightly different is that we have kept it really open so that different young people could come in throughout the process at points that felt right for them. And we have some young people who are looking at the lighting aspect of things or design and really sitting all around the production, so that it feels from them at all points.
So Plus One offers, firstly, is a scheme that offers arts opportunities to those who are care experienced in the city, and those opportunities range massively, from theatre to photography to music. Working with Plus One has been so much fun purely because I was brought up through Plus One and was a participant myself for many years, and really built such a community and family with the Plus One group. And now being on the other side of it as part of the supportive creative team and being a sound designer and composer has been the most full circle experience I could have asked for. Being able to facilitate those thoughts and ideas that I once had, and seeing those in other people and being able to be the person to help bring that to life, there's nothing more rewarding to me than that.
Ooh, I've enjoyed so many things about working with Plus One. I've enjoyed working with the young people and meeting them and finding out more about Derby and the culture of Derby, and I've really been quite inspired by how integrated Plus One is into the building and how much time and energy the building and all the staff give to what Plus One is. And I think you can really see that in the energy that the young people have and the ownership that they have over the building, and that's lovely to step into and be a part of.
Oh well, I've done it quite a lot, Plus One, but I just love meeting new people, seeing the old gang. It's helped a lot. I've always come here for years and years, and it gives me the ability to try different projects out. It inspires me to be acting because it's something that I'm really passionate about. I love it. I love being on stage, using my voice, acting.
So hi, my name's Kori. I'm part of the Plus One project, so I'm a Plus One internship for Derby Theatre. What mostly I enjoy is just about the acting and learning. I kind of enjoy learning a bit more now. But I think kind of meeting new people, making people laugh, then it's like you can just be weird around people because it's drama. You know, drama is all about being weird and creative. It's the most fun thing.
My name is Brig. I'm involved in the Derby Theatre and I play a character called Molly. I think getting to know different types of people in the care system, and telling them my experiences and they're telling me their experiences, it's quite useful because sometimes, like, as people who hasn't experienced being in care, they don't realise the struggles of it. And so when other kids, for example, coming from the care system, it's easier for me to just be a bit more open and tell them how I feel.
Okay, so if I were to pick one, my favourite aspect of working on the show would be seeing people's emotional responses the first time they try on their costume, or the first time they hear a piece of music, or they read a line that feels like it truly comes from their heart.
It's been a real privilege to sort of be a part of this journey, and been a real honour to kind of understand a bit about what it was like